Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready, Set, Drone, and today I have this crazy little flying saucer thing from Flynova. It's really unique, and so we're gonna spin it up and check it out. Okay, so this thing came to me from Flynova, and it is available on Amazon.com. I'll leave some links below. I'm gonna give some of these away on my live stream, so you're gonna wanna check that out. But first of all, it's called the Flynova. It's just a little thing you can see about the size of my hand, palm of my hand, and it has a motor in it. It has a little battery in it. When you turn it on, these LEDs blink, and you basically throw it and catch it or play games with it. It doesn't have a remote control. You don't use an app for it, nothing like that. It's just literally a little device that flies around the room like a UFO. You're gonna wanna make sure that you don't have any cats or dogs in the room because it does drive them kind of crazy. But let's take a look. You just spin it like that, a little faster, and that turns it on. And you can see when it's on, you get this really cool looking pattern in the LEDs. I mean, it just kind of creates this pattern, does different things, gives off a nice breeze. If it's a hot day, you could sit under it. But then what you can do is you can toss it in the air and catch it. There we go, that was a good one. Toss it in the air and catch it. 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 Now, I've had this thing hit me in the face before. Fortunately, it's completely enclosed, so the blades are not gonna hurt you. But that's really kind of what you do with it. You toss it in the air and you try to catch it before it gets away. And, and there it is. So the one piece of control you have over this thing is the angle at which you toss it in the air. If you toss it in the air fairly straight, it kind of just hovers and comes back down, or just hovers in place. If you toss it in the air at an angle, it takes off in whatever direction you tossed it. So if you were trying to do something like get it into a trash can, for let's say, you would toss it in the air at an angle, and then you would aim for the trash can and see if you could get it in the trash can. But if you just want to catch it, the best thing to do is toss it up straight and see if you can catch it. So let me see if I can do a good toss to Tate. Nice and straight. Oh, that was angled back at me, so I'm gonna angle it forward just a little bit so it'll go to him. There we go. He's gonna toss it back. And you can't be hesitant when you put your hands on it either. If you are, that's when it gets away. All right, now we're gonna see if we can put it in the trash can over there. Oh, why does it keep going to the right? You wanna try? Yeah. All right, Tate's gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna try flying it clear across the room, see if Tate can catch it. Nice. Yeah, the two-hand catch seems the best. Oh, yeah. Yay! Only like 50 tries. Okay, so the Flynova, some things we learned. First of all, it's strangely fun, but odd. You get to chase it around a lot. Definitely drives the animals a little bit crazy, you know, cats, dogs, etc. It's very durable. The best way to catch it is the sort of pancake like this. If you can't catch it with one hand, you want to kind of grab the top and the bottom. It's also easy to forget and put it upside down, and then it flies into the ground really hard. But these have taken, we've had 2 of them flying around today, and they've taken some serious abuse and are hanging in there just fine. The other thing is they just look really cool, especially when it's dark. If you hold them in your fingers and you just kind of twirl them around a little bit, they make some pretty cool patterns with these lights. I think these lights are designed to go at different rates, which cause different patterns to happen. So is it absolutely necessary for a drone pilot? No, it's not. But it is a lot of fun and it's pretty unique and it's kind of a odd little toy to play with. I'd love to hear your comments below on what you think of it and what you would do with it if you had one. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do subscribe to Ready Set Drone. Thanks a lot for watching and we'll see you next time.